Many times you look at your life and you get so depressed. You have tried so many things over and over and over, but you just end up going in circles. You know that there's more that you should be doing with your life, but you don't know how to break free from this cycle of mediocrity. There are moments when you have to wonder, why you? Where did you go wrong? You have been there for so many people, but who is there for you? Sometimes you wish you had someone to talk to, someone who truly understands you. But who can you really trust? Many people pretended as if they were for you. They pretended as if they had your back. But it wasn't too long before you realized that people are experts at pretending. People see you smiling, but they have no clue. They have no clue as to the amount of pain, hurts, rejection, self-doubt, and fear that you have to be carrying on the inside. There are so many horrible childhood memories that haunt you even until today. But let me tell you this, don't allow yourself to be held back by your past. Your past may not have been a great one, but your future can be way greater. Whatever you are going through right now, regardless of how unbearable it may seem, it's molding you into a better person. Where you are now is not your final destination. It's not your final chapter. You can either make the decision right now to accept defeat and remain a victim, or you can make the decision that regardless of whatever you're going through, it won't stop you from moving one step further. You don't have to know how things will eventually come together. That's the beauty of life. Failure isn't an excuse to quit. Failure is a part of the process. There is way more to you than you can possibly imagine. A caterpillar may not have known that it would have become a butterfly, but it kept on moving, and with time, it eventually transformed. You are yet to see the true beauty of what you are becoming. So don't lose hope. Don't give up. Because one day, you will look back and be glad you didn't.